Where are you going?
We're going to Banff.
We're bringing 3 cars. And they're all white. This is a Honda Odyssey, Honda Pilot. Let's say hi.
Hello.
And a Jeep Grand Cherokee.
Hi.
Good
Morning. It's very cold.
There's Cats in Calgary now.
Hi! Good morning!
Why are you bringing so much stuff? This is Tito again. The old guy from the other video.
Hello! Hello, Dad.
This is the vlogger Moy.
Yeah, we're going. It's gonna be cold.
We're going to the swimming pool in the hotel Lake Louise.
Yeah, and bam.
And we're gonna have a lot of stuff.
There's my dad and my mom. And Ali. And Tita and Tito.
Hi!
Hi ka daw sa vlog, tita.
This is on the way to... Where are we going right now?
We're going to Lake Louise.
Malisikat. So Lake Louise tayo. Look at that. Look at that. Look at the road that we're driving on. Oh my god. It's not my first time. It's Kat's
It's my first time.
Yeah. But it... Woo! I don't know how to put like the effects, like the...
Wow! Meron alam ko.
Alam mo na. Wow! Ako na lang. Wow!
Uy! Saan galing yun? May daddy ba yun?
Like Louise. Okay, go!
Hi, guys!
Your hands already in?
It went out!
Andito tayo ngayon sa
Lake
Saan ba to?
Louise.
Lake Louise. Akala ko Canmore, pero Lake Louise pula. First time ko dito, guys. Kaya super excited ako. Kasama namin yung family ni Kim. Buong family ni Kim. Kasama namin. So, ayan sila.
Sonia Tita.
Super cool, but make it fashion.
Yes.
Oh,
That's Lake Louise. That's the Fairmont. And then look, ang dami namin dala.
Oh, I do. Anyway,
What are you looking for?
maps for you.
Oh.
Here. Oh, yeah, because you're,
You have one?
Yeah, I do. How about B?
I don't know. She has.
So you can take your,
What happened?
It just happened.
Ano nga nangyari?
Natanggal yung gulong natin.
Hindi naman yung gulong, spare tire.
Spare tire.
Nasaan?
Nakuha na namin.
Saan ka natanggal?
Sa stoplight.
Hirap naman kausapin ng tatay mo. Tingnan mo yung ISO. Looks cool.
Dati punta ko sa ilalim, tapos babatingin ko.
I don't know.
But you take French fries.
Yeah. This is Lemore's
Hello.
first time.
Yeah, this is my first time. I've seen Lake Louise on movies like X-Men.
Talaga ba?
Yeah, it's an X-Men. Now I'm not sure. Pero may scene sa X-Men na pinakita yung Lake Louise. So, I'm very familiar sa itsura.
Not in the winter.
Yeah, not in the winter.
Here's Lake Louise.
Yeah, we're gonna go sled now. It's gonna be fun.
Wow.
Yeah, that proved my point.
These are all my cousins. Also this one.
Can we go fast? Ready?
Ate, kuya!
It's so nice. Wow. Oh my god. So nice.
What can you say?
We'll go sled again. Why? Because fun.
Ang ganda dito. Alam niyo ba, first time ko pumunta dito ngayon, and then sabi nila, twice a year daw sila pumupunta dito, yung family ni Kim. Every summer and every winter. Guys, my God! Naiyak ako! Ang ganda! Sobra! So itong part na to, basa. Lake pala yan during summer, and then tumitigas siya every winter. Kaya,
Look at that. Oh my god. What can you say?
it's very beautiful.
I can't believe I live here.
I would never get used to this. Okay.
Di umano.
Huh?
Lumipad ang team namin.
Okay, reporting live from Lake Louise.
Lumipad daw yung team nila.
Si, Mama Chateau nga raw!
Ano, tito?
Bakit?
Ate, Timmy, not too scary.
Not too scary?
No.
Oh. Nakaharang ka sa beauty.
Sister, halika nito, Greta. Greta, halika na. Hindi, tapos tayo naman, sali tayo. Oo nga pala. Imar! Kaya ko ito mag-picture mo. Ang nilalang ko ng picture na to eh. May padapa-dapa pa. Oh.
Photographer nga eh. Photography 101.
Mababasa.
Bakit nag-swimming ngayon? Gusto ko lips to lips lahat ha.
That's my mom. That's her sister. That's her other sister. And they're all couples.
Ano? Ascending order.
We have now spent an hour here just taking pictures.
Ending.
Ang lamig. Ay, hindi, mainit na.
Mainit na. Hindi naman ganun masyadong malamig. So, we're in the mountains, so we're still at Lake Louise. There's a dance production going. And I'll show you. Oh, ooh, sabay-sabay tayo. This is the other side of Lake Louise, and then that's the Fairmont. It's quite expensive to stay there. And then over there, I don't know if you guys can see. Let me close up. There's a skating rink. So originally in the summer, this what we're stepping on right now, this is the lake, and that's why it's called Lake Louise. I'm vlogging.
Hi! Hi guys, sorry nag-enjoy ako kasi sobrang first time ko dito. At saka in-enjoy ko.
Look, turn around. To all Kat's family that isn't here, we wish you were here. What can you say?
Very nice.
What can you say
I think
your...
Filipina would love this, but hindi siya magtatagal ng sobra kasi malamigin yun. But the kids, si Red, si Jed, and si Dia, I'm pretty sure they love here. Kaya, aantayin ko yun na mag-visit sila na naman guys para magpunta kami dito ulit.
Ayun o, ganda. Let's talk over the music because they're playing music. That's the sun. It's really bright right now. So, that's my mom over there in the red. And then we're gonna go to the skating rink. Today is such a nice day because it's so warm. Well, not so warm because I still have, but it's warm enough that you're not like freezing. They're skating. This is the skating rink. And then
So stupid.
that's Fairmont. Pretty cool. Look, there's a crack. I don't know if you can see, but this is a really thick layer of ice. And that's more. And then everybody is over here. Wow.
Alam mo, mabilis ka? Mabilis ka, mabilis. Parang tumatakbo eh.
Ano?
Parang ka tumatakbo rin. Bilis eh.
Parang, sabi ni Kim, super blurry daw kasi simulation daw. Pero hindi talaga ang ganda.
Fairmont Chateau Lake Louise.
May slice pala here.
Yeah, they do sleigh rides. But my sister is allergic to horses.
Ayan, papasok tayo sa sa Fairmont, sa hotel.
Can you go right next to the thing so they know how high it is?
Ito ba yung from dito? Okay.
Unreal.
Wow, okay, maghahanap tayo ng sa Kyoto.
Restaurants and shops inside. That's the walkway back to the parking lot.
Siya nga pala, kung nagtataka kayo kung bakit hindi na kami nakamask kasi na-lift na yung
Restrictions.
But hindi pa namin na-try sa loob kung pwede ba walang mask. Baka recommended pa din na mag-mask. But we'll see. Papasok tayo.
See? Locally made chocolate. Here, let's go inside. Fairmont always smells so good. Like anywhere you go that's Fairmont, it smells so good.
Yun na yung signature nila.
Yeah, their signature smell. It's in the air ducts.
Alam na alam mo yung Fairmont kasi
Actually, all the fancy hotels all have a specific smell. So, like Trump and like not the common ones. They all have smells. There's an ice cream shop in here. So there's a shop, another shop, and then there's also a spa here. And then there's a restaurant right there. And then there's also a restaurant upstairs. So I don't know if we're going upstairs, but we'll see. Oh, we're gonna go upstairs now. Here's everyone. It's Mama. It's Cat. Huh? Pwede ka pala mag-rent ng skates eh. May rental shop sila oh. So siguro pwede ka mag-rent ng skates dan. It's like a castle in here. Such a fancy Fairmont. They have a restaurant here and it's such a nice restaurant. Look at the view while you dine. Crazy. Even wow. There's a jewelry store in here. Look at that. Excuse me. Wow.
This one is mine, and this one is Huya, and this one is Huya Wiles.
Oh, wow, you bought them?
Yeah. I didn't buy yours.
You didn't buy me one?
No, I bought one, but afterwards.
Oh, okay. That's okay. Yung ano?
This is nice.
Ito yung ano, cafe. It's called the Guides. Yeah, the Guides Pantry. How expensive it is? Is it to stay here?
I don't know. It's cheap.
Is how expensive?
I don't know. 400, maybe 5.
This is the pantry or the Guides Pantry. They just have like carbonated water and salads. Whoa, that chocolate pudding looks good, but it's also $15.
You want?
What the heck?
You want?
No, so expensive. Oh, what is that? The celery? Muesli? I don't know. There's a peanut butter and jelly sandwich for $10 and a ham and cheese sandwich for $10. So,
Yun yung lagi kong kinukuha sa pag nagpapamasa sa Fairmont. Binibenta nila dito.
yeah.
Pero lagi
But,
sila ng-
okay, look at this.
Oh my God, ako na nagagawa sa'yo sa bahay. $5.
So, the lesson here is to bring sandwiches. Oh, see, look, this is almost the same price as that. Like, how, that's so crazy. That's so crazy. Anyways, we're gonna go look for hot chocolate. Wow.
We got,
This is the
that's the Jack something.
jacked up cookie, chocolate cookie.
This one's the hot chocolate,
Hot
and
chocolate.
this one's a London fog, and then we got a ham and cheese croissant.
Yay. How much was everything?
It's $25.
Oh my god, for all of this. Okay, we're gonna have a snack and then we're gonna vlog again later.
Hoy, here! I don't move. 1, 2. I'm gonna throw some snow, okay?
No!
Watch. 1, 2, 3. One more. 1.
Video? Nabusog na kami. Hindi naman nabusog. Na ano lang.
It's a good snack.
Nakakabilib.
Where are we going now?
We're going to Canmore.
Kasi mag-check-in na kami sa hotel. Careful ah! Yeah, we're gonna check in at the hotel now. Siguro mga hour drive ba? I don't know. Probably. Ganon. Yeah. Sige. Sige. Diyan talaga tayo dadaan. Okay. Literally just says there, this entrance is closed. Pababa na siya.
Slide.
Wow, talent. What a talent. Galing.
Galing, di ba? Ang galing ng entrance natin.
Look at that snow on the little house. So, there's so much.
One more. Last.
They keep saying last picture. Where are we going now?
Going home. No.
Home?
No, hotel.
Oh.
We're gonna go swimming at the hotel. See you guys.
So we're going to our hotel now.
Kasha pa.
Kasha. So we're just gonna end this here.
Yeah.
Thanks.
See you next time. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.